In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your version in Midjourney. Now, it's a pretty simple prompt. What we're going to want to do is go into wherever you have it installed. I have it in this Discord server, and I'm going to say imagine, and I'm going to say a goldfish, right? I'm just going to keep it really simple. And I'm going to do dash dash. I'm going to look at the documentation real quick. So if I say version, or I can do dash dash V, so either one of these could be what I will want to change my version, right? So if I say dash dash V 5 or whatever, right? 4, 3, etc. I'm going to go ahead and show you what that would look like in all different ones, right? So I'm going to do version 3, and then I'm going to hit up, and then I'm going to hit backspace. That's going to bring the prompt that I just had back into the chat. That memory lasts there for just a second. I'm going to do 4, and I'm going to do 5. Now, this will, the processing speed and everything is going to be relative. So what I might do is just pause real quick and come right back. But I want to show you the results of all of them in the different versions and just give you, an example of how they looked, how distinctly different they look. All right, so with everything generated, let's look at version 3. Now, these barely look like fish. So we have that right there. This is probably the fishiest one out of all of them. Get a version 4. We can see these are looking a lot better. Pretty good. In fact, I think that's pretty decent. But let's go look at version 5. Now, version 5, if somebody told me that these were real photos of a goldfish, I probably wouldn't know the difference. So let's actually do this. I want to upscale my favorite out of all of these, and we'll look at these in a upscaled fashion. So I'm actually going to go out of these. I'm going to pick this one, so it'll be upscale number 1. And then right here, I'm going to say out of these, I think that maybe this one is the best. So I'm going to say upscale 2. And then over here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think that this one right here is pretty good. So I'm going to ask for that. And then we'll look at the results when they're all upscaled and done. Okay, so starting with version 3. This is the upscaled version of version 3. This looks like an apricot floating in the water. It doesn't look like a fish, but fish-like. This is your V5. So very real. Very, very real. And then let's go look at our V4. So really good, but still a little bit like artsy. And you can, if you want to get picky, I guess you can kind of tell like some of the features of the fish are a little weird. Like I think there's like a weird little fin here that I'm not sure that there is on this one. Yeah, like this one has like a full fin, and this one has just like a tiny piece of one. Maybe you got bit off or something like that, right? But this is a good example of kind of how the version prompt works. And so I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.